Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a smart power strip. This is by Gosund. I have reviewed a few products from them before and they are just the best possible Wi-Fi strips on a budget. They're super simple to set up, very convenient, and work flawlessly. So take a look at the packaging. This is model WP9. It is rated at 120 volts, a 10 amp maximum load, an AC frequency of 50 to 60 hertz, and a Wi-Fi compatibility of 2.4 gigahertz. So you can't use 5 gigahertz because most smart devices don't use 5 gigahertz. There's like no need to use it. So this one is the white color. They also have a black color, which both look good. And this is one piece, obviously. So before you start, I definitely recommend to download the Gosund app, which you can go ahead and scan or just search up on the Google Play Store or the iOS store. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. It has a user manual, which has very clear instructions. So you have what's in the box, download the app, how to connect it to the app, how to like sign in, control it. You can schedule timers for basically everything in here. And then you can do countdowns, smart scene functions, and some other information. Now you can pair this with your Amazon Assistant as well as your Google Assistant. You just have to sign in to the Gosund app and then use a skill from Amazon app. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. You have 3-prong connectors here. Right here above each of them, you have a indicator to know that they're on and off, as well as the 3 USB ports, which can also be turned on and off right here. And you could just directly press the button if you want to as well. And then right here you have another button, which I believe resets it. So it is plugged in now. You have all the LED indicators on right now. You can turn it off directly, just right there. So if you have it really close up, you can just turn it on and off, which is really cool. You can hook up non-smart devices up to this, which is what it's for. You can put a non-smart TV, I don't know, a blender, something in the kitchen that's not smart. You can do anywhere. You can do a speaker if you don't have a smart speaker, which is actually a really good idea. You can turn it on and off. You can turn it on and off your TV that's not smart, on and off your Xbox or your PlayStation, even though Xbox is compatible with the Google Home app and the Amazon Assistant app. So yeah, you have tons of different flexibility with this. Not only do you have 3 ports, 3 USB ports, so you can charge your phone, you can have a wireless charger, and then you can have something else, or just all 3, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and set this up on the app. First things first, you want to download the Gosund app. Let's go ahead and download it. Alright, we have the Gosund app downloaded on our phone now. So all you have to do is open up the app. You can either log in or sign up. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Alright, we just signed in, and it'll ask for push notifications as well as access, which I do recommend just because. And then it asks me to save it. I'm not going to save it for now. All you have to do is just press this plus on the top right corner, and then you just press power strip. And then you just sign in from there, and that's pretty much it. If you can't somehow do it, just do auto scan and it'll automatically do it. But make sure you reset the actual device by pressing and hold the power button if it's not flashing already. But once it is fully connected, you can turn on and off. You can see, you can turn off each individual socket. And you can also turn on and off the USBs, and you can name each and every one of them. So if this is the TV, this is the speaker, I don't know, PlayStation, you can rename all those, and then you can turn them on and off. And you can also have a countdown for each and every one of them. So if you have like a laptop or something that you want to charge in a cycle for like a Zoom meeting, or if you're a Chromebook, you can have it charge before you wake up or charge at nighttime, and then stop during a certain time whenever it's full. You can schedule it as well. Like I said, you just turn them on and off. Very cool, and it's very easy. And like I said, you can pair these up with these 2 apps, which is really helpful. So if you want to turn off the whole thing, you can just name it I named it Power Strip. So yeah, this is very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up in a few devices, and I'll be right back. Alright, as you can see, I have it propped up here on the back. I have my TV speakers and my RGB strips that are not smart, which I will be upgrading soon once I get a better desk or dresser. I named them specifically in the app, and then I also have the USB ones as well. So as you can see, we're going in the app and we named them. So as you can see, the TV right there has the light on if we turn it off, which it takes a while, but it will turn off. Now I could just have this on, and then I could just turn off the speakers, which is kind of dangerous, but yeah, it's kind of dangerous. So that's only for emergencies, if I really need to turn off the speakers. So yeah, and then obviously I have the RGB strips, which I can also turn on or off. So I named it drawers. So right now it is on. Go ahead and turn that on. And then if I want to turn it off, I just press the button and that's it. Turn it on, we're good. Now I could just configure it into the Google app, and then I could put it into a group, and then I could turn on everything at once if I wanted to, which is really cool. Convenient. And then also you can do the USB port, which I might put my sanitizer on because it is USB, and then I could do pretty much anything else if I wanted to, which is really cool. So definitely recommend this 100%. I'm just gonna turn this off for now. Yeah, it's super convenient. I can also turn it on and off using the Google Assistant or the Amazon Assistant. Turn off the drawers.
Okay.
Just like that. Really easy.